See you guys, have a good day.
How can I keep my team safe today?
Where can I find safety information relevant to me?
I wonder if anybody else has had an incident doing this.
How do I get reliable information on the potential hazards here?
Welcome to Toolbox from the Energy Institute. It holds lessons learned from real incidents, perfect for sharing with your team. Free to use, Toolbox puts safety in your hands. Available on demand, anywhere in the world, to help you get the job done safely. Learn from the experiences of others to prepare your team for high-risk work. Change the way you work, one day at a time. And get home safe.
I'm home.
Toolbox, putting safety in your hands.